YouTube channel. My name is Devia. So today's video is going to be a tutorial about this makeup look. And this look is very simple, like a daily makeup look, because I only use one color eyeshadow, which is brown, like this. And I also use ombre lips, but it looks like it mixed. Anyway, this video is a little bit different from my previous videos because I'm speaking in English. It's just for fun. So if you guys want to know how I do this look, please just keep on watching. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna use this Evian facial spray in addition to add more hydration to my face. And this one, just spray it all over your face. Next, I'm gonna use a primer, and it's from Wardah instaperfect porefection skin primer. I'm gonna use this on my T-zone area. It is a mattifying primer. Actually, it's really good to mattify your skin, but I think the oil control, it's so-so, but I still love this. Anyway, please excuse my acne scars right here because of my hormonal issues. Oh my god, it's so bad, but just ignore this. Okay, now I'm gonna use this Pixy for Beauty Benefits BB cream on the shade number 3 beige. I can say it is a good product as well because of the cheap price with a good quality. I love this. I've been using this for 5 years, if I'm not wrong. And the textures like this. I love this. I love this. Spread it. Okay, as you guys can see, you still can spot my acne spot right there because this BB cream actually has a light coverage and it doesn't cover too much. But I love this because it's buildable. You can build like 2 or 3 layers and it still feels good. Doesn't cake at all. Next, concealer, and please don't be bored because I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer on the shade 25 medium, like my previous videos. I used this for 1,000 times, I can say, because I love this one. Just conceal my under eye. Okay, the concealer is on, so now to set all over my face, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder on the shade 1 to 8 Warm Nude. This is my new best friend actually. I kinda like this a lot. I use this a lot times lately because it's lightweight and it's just good. Okay, now my face looks flat, but to bring back the dimension, I'm gonna use this contour palette from Mizzu Alter Ego on the shade Rose, and it has 3 powder. The darkest one, I will use that using angled brush like this. Now I'm gonna do a nose contouring using this palette from Just Miss Umbra palette, and I'm gonna use this a soft brown ashy color using this C brush. Now for the blush, I'm gonna mix these 2 products. It's from Emina Chocolate and on the shade Violet Berry, and this one is from Maybelline Color Show Plus on the shade Creamy Cinnamon, and the color like this, and this is the Emina one. I'm gonna mix this, guys. Okay, next for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this powder highlighter from the same palette from Mizzu and put it on the nose bridge like this, your cheekbones, Alright, the highlighter is on, so now I'm gonna move to the brows, and now I'm gonna using this Just Miss eyebrow pencil on the shade brown. It is my favorite because it's so cheap. It's only costs around 7,000 rupees, and it has a good color also. No red hint at all. It's pure brown. That's what I like. Okay, the brows are done, but I'm gonna set them with this product. It's Emina Top Secret Eyebrow Powder. And I'm gonna use the lightest shade right there. And for the addition, to add the bushy effect, I'm gonna use the wax from the palette, this one, with this tiny spoolie. After I did my brows, I'm gonna tight lining using this product. It's from Pixy Line and Shadow on the shade black. Now I'm gonna put eyeshadow on my lid using this Mizzu gradical eyeshadow on the shade number 2 Smoky Latte. And I think these are a satin finish eyeshadow because it's not too shimmery. I will show you like this. You can see it's not too matte, but it's not too shimmery, so I can say it's a satin finish. I'm gonna use this brown shade using this tiny brush from its palette. I put it all over my lids like this, and I can say it has a fallout, a bad fallout, I can say. And after that, I'm gonna use a fluffy blending brush. Yes, and bring the eyeshadow to the crease. I'm gonna add a little bit more, like this and right there, and blend it. Put it on your lower lash line like this, just a little bit, like that. Okay, after the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl. Okay, now my eyes are done, so I'm gonna move to the lips, and now I'm gonna use this lipstick. It's from L'Oreal Color Rich Matte for the shade 220 Chocolate Rouge. Okay, I think I'm gonna put a red lipstick to the inner lips, and I'm gonna use this Emina Sugar Rush lipstick on the shade number 4 Maroon Macaron. Okay, the makeup is done, so I'm gonna wear my hijab and I'll be right back. So I think that's all for this video. I hope you guys like this look because I love it so much. If you guys like this video, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe me if you guys already, and then I'll see you in my next one. Bye!